Are you a woman over 50 noticing more hair in your brush than on your head? Most people tell you it's just hormones or a natural part of aging. But what if the healthy snacks in your pantry are actually the hidden culprits behind your hair loss? Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Berg. Today I'm going to reveal something that might shock you. We're diving deep into the science of hair follicles to show you that not all nuts are created equal. In fact, there are 4 specific nuts that act as absolute powerhouses for regrowing thick, vibrant hair by boosting keratin and stabilizing your hormones at a cellular level. But here is the catch. 4 other common nuts, some you probably eat every day thinking they're healthy, could be secretly triggering inflammation, disrupting your minerals, and actually causing your hair to fall out. If you're ready to stop the thinning and reclaim your confidence, you need to know exactly which nuts to reach for and which ones to avoid at all costs. Stay with me because the most popular nut on the danger list is one you'd never suspect. Welcome to Live Well Insights, where we uncover the profound connections between your daily nutrition and the vitality of your hair. For many women over 50, noticing hair thinning can be an emotional journey that feels like losing a part of themselves. As we age, our bodies undergo significant hormonal changes that directly impact the life cycle and thickness of every single strand. However, nature has provided us with powerful tools to combat this process, hiding incredible secrets within these small, crunchy shells. Let us begin our journey with the almond, a nutritional powerhouse that serves as a cornerstone for rebuilding thinning hair. Almonds are one of the best natural sources of biotin, a vitamin that is absolutely essential for stimulating dormant hair follicles. Biotin acts as the fuel that your body desperately needs to produce keratin, the fundamental protein that makes up your hair. Incorporating a small handful of almonds into your daily routine can signal your body to restart its natural repair processes. Beyond biotin, almonds are incredibly rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that actively protects your scalp from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a major culprit in aging hair, but vitamin E builds a robust defense system for your scalp cells. A healthy scalp is the fertile soil required for hair growth, and almonds provide the moisture needed to maintain that environment. With consistent consumption, you may notice your hair becoming less brittle and significantly more resistant to breakage during your daily brushing. You can easily add sliced almonds to your morning yogurt or oatmeal, making this hair-boosting habit both delicious and effortless. Besides hair health, the magnesium found in almonds also helps reduce stress, which is another common cause of sudden hair loss. Reducing your stress levels while nourishing your body creates a synergistic effect that maximizes the potential for hair regrowth and vitality. Roasting them lightly can enhance their flavor, but be careful not to overcook them to preserve their delicate vitamin content. Patience is key, as nutritional changes typically take about 3 months to show visible results in the quality of new growth. Homemade almond milk is another fantastic option, provided you use enough almonds to retain a high concentration of the nutrients. The confidence that comes from knowing you are feeding your body exactly what it needs is the first step to beauty. Now let us turn our attention to the walnut, a nut famous for its unique shape and even more unique benefits. Walnuts are the only nut that contains a significant amount of alpha-linolenic acid, a crucial plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. These healthy fats are absolutely vital for balancing hormones and reducing inflammation, which is often a hidden cause of hair shedding. For women over 50, stabilizing hormonal fluctuations is critical, as drops in estrogen can leave hair follicles vulnerable to shrinking. By reducing systemic inflammation, walnuts create a peaceful environment where your hair follicles can focus on growth rather than survival. Walnuts also provide a respectable amount of zinc and selenium, minerals that are necessary for repairing damaged hair tissue quickly. If your hair feels dry or brittle, the nutrients in walnuts help to seal the cuticle and lock in essential moisture. Adding walnuts to your daily salad not only adds a delightful crunch, but also ensures better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. The antioxidants present in walnuts also offer a layer of protection against environmental damage, such as harsh sunlight and pollution. Improved elasticity means your hair will be less likely to snap when you are styling it or tying it back. Keep a small jar of walnuts at your desk or in your kitchen to remind yourself to snack on health. Remember that walnuts are calorie-dense, so a small handful of about 7 halves is all you need to reap benefits. Interestingly, walnuts contain melatonin, which can improve your sleep quality, another crucial factor for cellular regeneration and hair growth. When your body is rested and nourished with omega-3 fatty acids, your hair reflects that inner health with a natural shine. Moving on to our third hero, the pistachio, distinct for its vibrant green color and equally vibrant health benefits for hair. Pistachios are not just a tasty snack, they are a powerhouse of iron and biotin, essential for preventing hair loss. However, their true secret weapon is copper, a mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining the structure of hair. Adequate copper intake can help preserve your natural hair color and delay the onset of graying by supporting pigment production. Copper also aids in the production of collagen, which tightens the skin on your scalp and secures the hair roots. Pistachios have a lower calorie count compared to other nuts, making them a guilt-free option for frequent snacking throughout the day. Buying them in the shell is a clever trick, as the act of shelling them slows you down and prevents overeating. They are also surprisingly rich in potassium, which helps to improve blood circulation, ensuring nutrients actually reach your scalp. Better circulation means that the biotin, protein, and vitamins you consume are effectively delivered to the hair roots where needed. The fatty acids in pistachios act as a natural conditioner from the inside, leaving your hair softer and easier to manage. Their distinct flavor pairs wonderful with fruits, allowing you to create desserts that support your beauty goals rather than hinder them. Seeing new growth along your hairline is a rewarding sign that your increased copper and mineral intake is working effectively. Our fourth champion is the cashew nut, beloved for its creamy texture and its exceptional profile of hair-building minerals. Cashews are packed with protein, zinc, and iron, 3 components that are absolutely non-negotiable for synthesizing healthy hair strands. Since hair is almost entirely made of protein, the high-quality amino acids found in cashews provide the necessary building blocks. Iron is particularly important for women over 50, as it ensures that your blood can carry sufficient oxygen to your scalp. Without enough iron, hair follicles starve for oxygen and enter a resting phase, leading to increased shedding and thinning. Cashews are incredibly versatile and can be added to stir-fries to boost the protein content of your main meals. Cashew butter is another excellent way to enjoy these benefits, offering a creamy texture that feels indulgent but is highly nutritious. The zinc in cashews also helps to keep the oil glands around your follicles working properly, preventing dryness and dandruff. However, always choose unsalted or raw cashews, as excess sodium can dehydrate your body and counteract the benefits. These 4 nuts, almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews, form the quartet of allies you need for stronger, healthier hair. Creating a custom mix of these 4 gives you a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals that work in harmony. But not all nuts are created equal, and some might actually be working against your goals if you are not careful. It is crucial to identify which varieties could potentially cause inflammation or toxicity if consumed in large quantities or processed forms. First on our caution list is the peanut, which is technically a legume and carries specific risks for hair health. Peanuts are highly susceptible to a mold that produces aflatoxin, a toxin that can cause systemic inflammation in the body. When your body is fighting inflammation caused by toxins, it diverts resources away from non-essential functions like growing hair. Furthermore, peanuts have a very high ratio of omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation if not balanced with omega-3s. An imbalance where omega-6 dominates can trigger inflammatory responses in the scalp, potentially accelerating hair thinning and loss. Many commercial peanut butters are also loaded with sugar and hydrogenated oils, which are terrible for both your skin and hair. If you love peanuts, ensure they are organic and mold-free, but it is safer to prioritize the other nuts we discussed. Next, we must discuss Brazil nuts, which are famous for their selenium content, but can be dangerous if misunderstood. While selenium is good for hair, Brazil nuts contain such massive amounts that eating too many can lead to selenium toxicity. Ironically, one of the primary symptoms of selenium toxicity is significant hair loss and nails becoming brittle and weak. The line between a therapeutic dose and a toxic dose is thin. You should never eat more than 2 Brazil nuts daily. Treat Brazil nuts like a potent, natural supplement rather than a snack to satisfy your hunger or cravings. Macadamia nuts are delicious and have healthy fats, but they rank lower on our list for specific hair growth benefits. They are extremely calorie-dense, yet contain lower amounts of protein and biotin compared to almonds or pistachios. For women over 50 watching their weight, macadamias might use up your calorie budget without delivering enough hair-specific nutrients. They are not bad for you, but if your primary goal is hair restoration, other nuts offer a better return on investment. Finally, we must warn against the most common trap: prepackaged salty nut mixes and roasted snacks loaded with additives. High levels of sodium can cause dehydration in your cells and scalp, making hair strands dry, dull, and lifeless. Dehydration stresses the body, and often the first place your body pulls moisture from is your skin and hair. Many mixes also contain MSG, sugar, and low-quality vegetable oils that promote inflammation and counteract the benefits of the nuts. Eliminating these processed snacks is one of the quickest ways to reduce puffiness and improve the quality of your hair. To summarize, prioritize almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews. Be cautious with peanuts, limit Brazil nuts, and avoid salty mixes. Preparation is key. Pre-portioning your nuts ensures you get the exact nutrients you need without overindulging in calories. Always remember to drink plenty of water when increasing your fiber intake from nuts to aid digestion and absorption. Your hair is a reflection of your internal health. By choosing the right fuel, you can turn back the clock. It is never too late to start. Small changes in your diet today can lead to beautiful results in just a few months. We invite you to try adding these specific nuts to your diet for the next 3 months and track your progress. Thank you for watching Live Well Insights. Please subscribe for more science-backed guides to maintaining your health and beauty at any age.